Capnity is popping up online as a trendy fashion store with stylish pieces and big discounts. But the real question is it legit or just another risky online shop? Now, to be fair, not every new fashion site is a scam. Some smaller brands do offer decent products at lower prices, especially if they're drop shipping or just starting out. However, here's where things get questionable. What it does well: attractive designs. Capnity showcases modern, eye-catching styles that look similar to high-end fashion brands. Affordable pricing. Prices are often much lower than expected, which can be appealing if you're bargain hunting. Where it falls short: lack of brand transparency. There's little to no clear information about who runs the store, where it's based, or its history. That's a common red flag. Mixed or negative customer feedback. Shoppers on third-party sites often report issues like poor quality, wrong sizing, or items not matching photos. Shipping delays or missing orders. Some users claim long delivery times. Or worse, never receiving their order at all. Difficult returns and refunds. Return policies can be unclear or hard to follow, making it tough to get your money back. So is Capnity real or fake? Short answer: it's a risky store, not outright proven fake, but definitely not reliable. You might receive your order, but quality and service are inconsistent at best. Bottom line, Capnity falls into that gray area of online fashion stores that look great on the surface but lack trust and consistency. If you're thinking of buying, proceed with caution, start small, avoid big purchases, and always check reviews outside the website. For most people, it's safer to stick with more established and transparent brands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.